There has always been a lot of questions on MT4 and MT5 trading platforms, and traders usually don't know which one to use or which one is most suitable for them. In this video, I will tell you the difference between MT4 and MT5 trading platform and which one is best suitable for you. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel for all the Forex related videos and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Before we move ahead and start comparing MT4 and MT5 trading platform, let me give you a short intro of these two trading platforms. MT4 and MT5 trading platforms were developed by MetaQuote Software Corporation, and these platforms allow you to trade financial markets from anywhere around the world. At first, MT4 was developed in which traders could only trade into the Forex market, but then MT5 was launched, which is an advanced version of MT4 and allows you to trade various other financial markets. Now talking about the difference between MT4 and MT5, MT4 is a very simple and easy to use platform, and that is why it is the first choice of all the beginner traders. Furthermore, it allows you to customize the interface according to your trading needs. On the other hand, MT5 is a successor of MT4 and is a little difficult to use and not for beginner traders. It comes with additional features and has a little advantage over MT4. Like MT4 provides you with only 9 time frames, with a minimum time frame of 1 minute to the maximum time frame of 1 month. Whereas if you compare it with the MT5, MT5 provides you with total 21 time frames, starting from 1 minute to yearly charts, and hence allows room for more analysis of the market. The next difference between MT4 and MT5 is the variety of technical indicators and tools they provide. MT4 comes with 30 built-in indicators and 31 drawing tools, like different Fibonacci tools and Elliott wave drawing tools. MT5 offers you with 38 built-in indicators and around 44 drawing tools. One of the best features that MT5 provides you with is the pending orders. As I am traveling most of the time and I cannot keep looking at the chart many a times, pending orders help me a lot. I can use pending orders to execute my trade at the position I desire, and so I miss a very few trades. MT4 provides you with 4 different types of pending orders, namely buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. Whereas MT5 provides you with 6 types of pending orders, namely buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit and sell stop limit. There is one more interesting feature which you can find in MT5, and that is the internal fund transfer, which means that you can transfer funds from your one trading account to another trading account just from your trading platform. Unfortunately, MT4 doesn't have this cool option. Finally, when it comes to which one is the best trading platform, I would say it depends upon the needs of the traders. Like if you are a beginner or have just started the Forex trading, then MT4 is the obvious choice for you. But if you are an advanced trader and need different tools and indicators, then MT5 is a good option for you.